Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to learn from book New Oxford Modern English Pre-Primer. Okay students, let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is a farm. Playgroup class, first of all watch on screen. What are you watching? Do you know what is this? This is a picture of a farm. Here in the green box there are some words. Here are also some pictures. We can find these pictures in this farm. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is a tree. What is this? This is a tree. Let us find this picture in this farm. Do you know where is tree? Here is a tree. The next picture is a goat. Let us find this picture in this farm. These are goats. The third picture is a tractor. What is this? This is a tractor. Let us find this picture in this farm. Here is a tractor. The next animal is a cow. What is this? This is a cow. Let us find this animal in this farm. These are cows. The last picture is a flower. What is this? This is a flower. Let us find this picture in this farm. These are flowers. Now students, again read with me. The first picture is a tree. The next picture is a goat. The third picture is a tractor. The next picture is a cow. And the last picture is a flower. Okay students, come to the next page. The first animal is a horse. What is this? This is a horse. Let us find this animal in this farm. These are horses. The next picture is bag of corn. Let us find this bag in this farm. These are 2 bags of corn. The last picture is a hen. Let us find this picture in this farm. These are hens. Playgroup class, again read with me. Horse. What is this? This is a horse. The second picture is bag of corn. And the last picture is a hen. Okay playgroup class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.